Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning, check your phone, and there it is, an email from your company. Due to restructuring, your position has been eliminated. Just like that, you're unemployed. No warning, no backup plan, no paycheck coming next week. Your rent is still due. Your bills are still coming. Groceries still cost money. But your income? Gone. And here's the scary part. Right now, this isn't rare anymore. Layoffs are happening everywhere. Tech, retail, warehouses, offices, even government jobs. So the real question isn't could this happen? It's would you be ready if it did? Because today, I'm going to walk you through exactly what I would do, step by step, if I lost my job tomorrow. No theory, no motivational talk, just a real survival plan. Let's get into it. The first mistake most people make after losing their job is panic, and panic leads to bad decisions. You start thinking, I'm doomed, I'll never recover, my life is over. But here's the truth. Losing a job is not the end. It's a financial problem, and financial problems have solutions. If you panic, you freeze. If you stay calm, you plan. So the first thing I would do, nothing dramatic, no emotional spending, no desperate choices. I would slow down, take a breath, and treat this like a strategy game, because every move matters now. The second you lose income, cash becomes oxygen. Not investing, not fancy plans, cash. Because bills don't care about your long-term goals. They want money now. So the very first thing I do is look at exactly how much cash I have. Checking, savings, emergency funds, everything. Let's say I have $4,000. Now that $4,000 isn't spending money anymore. It's survival time. Every dollar becomes precious. Because now you're not asking, what do I want to buy? You're asking, how long can this money keep me alive? Next, I would immediately shrink my monthly expenses. Fast. Not slowly, not maybe next month. Today. Because every dollar you don't spend buys you more time. Time equals options. So here's what I'd cut instantly. Subscriptions, streaming, apps, memberships, food delivery, eating out, anything that isn't essential. If it's not rent, food, or survival, it's gone. Most people waste hundreds per month on small stuff they forget about, and during unemployment, that stuff can destroy you. Cut first, think later. Here's something most people don't know. You can negotiate bills. Seriously, if I lost my job tomorrow, I would call my landlord, my internet, my phone provider, my credit cards, and tell them straight up, I lost my job. I need help. You'd be shocked how many companies offer payment plans, reduced bills, deferred payments, hardship programs. They would rather work with you than get nothing, but you have to ask. Pride costs money. Survival saves money. This one is simple. If you qualify, file for unemployment the same day. Not next week, not later, immediately. Because unemployment benefits are literally designed for this moment. It's not charity, it's insurance you paid for through taxes. Even a few $100s per week buys breathing room, and breathing room means better decisions. Now comes the most important part. Cutting expenses helps, but income solves the problem. Because there's a limit to how much you can save. There's no limit to how much you can earn. So I wouldn't wait for the perfect job. I'd focus on fast money first. Anything that brings cash in quickly. Freelance work, gig apps, delivery, online tasks, temp jobs, day labor, even selling stuff I don't use. Speed matters more than pride, because some income is infinitely better than zero. And once money starts flowing again, stress drops fast. Here's where most people waste time. They sit at home refreshing job boards all day. But smart people use unemployment as upgrade time. Because while you're looking for work, you should also be increasing your value. Learning new skills, online certifications, software tools, anything that makes you more employable. Because every skill you add raises your future paycheck. Job loss can actually become an upgrade opportunity if you use the time wisely. Here's something losing a job teaches you fast. No job is truly secure. Not anymore. Companies don't promise loyalty. They cut costs, automate, outsource, downsize. So the old idea of one safe job forever, it's dead. Real security today comes from multiple skills, multiple income streams, multiple options, not one paycheck. Because when one source disappears, others keep you alive. That's how you protect yourself long term. Once I get back on my feet, I'd make sure this never blindsides me again. That means emergency fund, at least 3 to 6 months of expenses saved, side income, even small, investing consistently, learning high-value skills, because the goal isn't just surviving unemployment once, it's becoming layoff-proof. So next time, it's inconvenient, not terrifying. So if I lost my job tomorrow, that's exactly what I'd do. Stay calm, protect cash, cut expenses, call every company, get benefits, create income fast, upgrade skills, build real security. Because job loss isn't the end, it's just a financial challenge, and challenges can be solved. The people who prepare survive. The people who panic struggle. So don't wait until it happens. Start building your safety net now. If you want more simple, practical breakdowns about money, jobs, and the economy, subscribe to MacroEcho, because understanding the system is how you stay ahead of it. I'll see you in the next one.